Hello and welcome to another update video about Cardano. In this video again, we're gonna take a look at the price update of Cardano, do a quick technical analysis. Don't have too much time at the moment, but there will be probably a live stream later today. Just need to grab some food before. So I just wanted to push that video out before we get to the $3 because we are pretty close, guys. And today in the update video, just a few hours ago, I said that it's looking extremely bullish. We were down here. I said it's a really good sign if we get this, you know, where these candles really get smaller and smaller and squeezed into this probably triangle which was forming down there. And this is, by the way, the ADA USD hourly chart, and the prices come from the Bitfinex exchange. But yeah, I said this is an extremely bullish sign. Couldn't see any stop in the momentum, and yeah, apparently just again like two hours after that, even 1 hour after that, we saw a big pump. I actually recorded that video at, you know, like 12 o'clock UK time today, but I messed it up and I didn't publish it before 1:30, but it was still before the pump. So we saw that huge pump, and yeah, I said my next target is $3. I can't really see the momentum stopping. Whoops. I mean, what we can see really nicely here, however, is that red candle where the price already peaked. Really, that was a huge price jump in that hour here, but then it dropped again and it actually closed closed in the yeah, sort of in the red, but then the next two candles were green again. That is another huge pump here. At the moment, you know, the candles are not getting smaller, so I can't see a slowing momentum maybe on the 30 minutes, but I think, you know, we want, or the people want to see Cardano at $3. And what we can see here, beautiful actually, I think that is a nice cup and handle. You can see the cup pattern here, and you can see the handle forming here, and then huge pump to the upside. Cup and handle, normally what you do, you can take let's say like the depth of the cup here, add it then I believe here, yeah, I don't know, it's a bit messy, that cup and handle here. What it probably rather is something like a bull flag or something, so it's not really clear to see, but anyway, very bullish move. Slight correction and then huge pump. So now we've hit this 295 level, which seems a temporary seems to be like a temporary yeah, barrier, basically, resistance line. But anyway, you know, we can see, especially here on the hourly chart, the MACD is turning bullish down here. Yes, I think we are in overbought. No, we are not even in overbought territory. We're just sort of, yeah, at the 70 level, but slightly below. So we're not really even in overbought territory on the hourly chart. Bullish crossover on the MACD. The awesome oscillator is turning green. Nice momentum. And I said before, the awesome oscillator works pretty well for me, or has worked pretty well in the past. If we were really in a positive trend, and we are, and we can see that really nicely. You can see the 20-day moving average here really bending around the current price action, so really forming a good support line, pushing the price up further. A small red candle here, we need to see how that's carrying on. But you know, even if we don't reach the $3 today, I think we got there close enough, and we know that the price just wants to go through the $3. That is why there is such a pump. I said in yesterday's video that I expect it to be a really good week for Cardano. There's a lot of expectation about Japan, and that people will be able to buy Japan. Why it is going down just in this moment? I believe because there has been a dip on the Bitcoin price, but a Bitcoin went quite up today as well. Went up. What we can see here is a small double top forming on the 2 hour, not significant. Anyway, on the 1 hour chart, but generally I think Bitcoin is looking quite good generally anyway. But I did an analysis today already on that, but we'll have a bit more time later today. I just wanted to do this quick update. And if we drop, I think here on the hourly, or no, this is actually the 30-minute chart, so we need to have a look on the hourly one. It's still very nice and green candle. I expect this actually to go up a little bit more. If we drop, should we drop? You know, if we drop, I think we'll drop down to the 280 again, because this is sort of the support line. Also, we have now the 20-day moving average here coming on the hourly chart. And if we have a look on the 4 hour chart, if we can see any good support levels here, yeah, I think it is mainly that one, like the 280, which is that support level here, this rising support level, which is basically this this resistance line, or this support line of the channel in which Cardano was trading. But yeah, it's really hard to make out any support and resistance levels up here, other than the moving averages, because we're now sort of in uncharted territory. We are now in all-time high area. Haven't really traded this area before. We can see a nice spike in volume here today, really nice spike in volume. That's what we need. And on the 4-hour chart here, even the awesome oscillator, really deeply green, and also the MACD. Everything's looking really good. And you know, bear in mind always, we really went up in price pretty quickly. So if we drop, it will only be a temporary correction. The weekly, everything on the weekly chart is looking really good, and the weekly is more important. That's the longer term trend. We had a bullish crossover recently of the MACD there on the weekly. So guys, it's really, everything's looking good. Don't worry if we drop, but at the moment it's looking all bullish for me. There will be a correction at some point, something like here probably, maybe then another bull flag forming, because we had that now in all pumps that Cardano made. We had this pattern here where we had slight corrections, and we then went up. Don't think there will be another big drop before the Japan rollout basically on the exchanges, but I'll have another closer look at the charts later today in the live stream. There will be one, but probably it will take another couple of hours or maybe 3 hours for me to start that, probably around 8 o'clock UK time, but I'll keep you updated. Hopefully you enjoyed that brief update here. Really nice to see that this plays out again, that we got close to the $3. Hope you enjoyed it. See you later, and please give the video a like and subscribe. Thanks a lot for watching, and see you in the next video. Bye.